What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video today. Exciting stuff happening today. So basically what's going to be getting done, hopefully anyways, is that new wheels that I've been banging on about for absolutely ages on me dad's Transit Sport are finally going to be getting put on. And then basically once they're on his van, I can have a good look and decide whether or not I want some for my van. That's pretty much how everything's going to work. His is like the test van for all the cosmetic stuff that I'm fancying buying. So I'm actually just sitting in my van. My dad's van's parked right next to us, as you can see, just there. And at the minute I'm at our good friends Base Mechanics. So these guys you've probably seen in a fair few videos that I've done now. There we go. You've probably seen I've done a fair few videos with these guys as well, Monty and Snoop. They also did the work, the sound system and the stereo that's in my van, which is unbelievable, by the way. Every day I just can't get over how good it sounds. They're very, very well respected and knowledgeable people in the audio game and the security game. So if you need any of that stuff, make sure to check them out. I'll leave a link for their Instagram and stuff like that in the description down below. And if you haven't seen or you want to see, interested in what was done to my van by them, I did do a video on that a little while ago. I'll also leave a link to that in the description as well. So make sure you do check them out if you haven't already. Anyways, I'm excited, so I'm going to go in and see them, see the lads, see what's going on, and let's get this show on the road. There's the old wheels here. So these were the 18-inch MS Design ones. Tyre sizes was on here. 245, 45, 18. So we were running slightly bigger tyres on than usual. I'm sure they usually come with 235, 35, 18s. I'm sure it's something like that. And this, are you ready? This is the big reveal of the new wheels. Miles up. The ones on the right are the better wheels.
Professional? I've never been professional in my life.
A professional fucking idiot. You're not going to grind that thing off first?
Yeah. Probably don't need it on this side. See this video?
Yeah.
Should be alright.
Sun's about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew. Wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now.
The lads are staying late tonight to work on the van. There on the background we've got Monty and Cosway Dad. and basically what we're going to be, or what they're going to be doing and I'm going to be filming pretty much, I will give them a hand here and there, is they're going to be putting the sun visor on the van. I'm going to be putting some new wind deflectors on. There's a few jobs to do in the back. I'm trying to say a massive thank you as well to Monty at Base Mechanics for letting me use the workshop just to stay out of the weather pretty much. The wind and the rain and the snow that we've had over the past few days with this storm, whatever, Dennis, the Menace, Katrina, whatever it is. So there we go, the new wheels is on. Sits real nice. Really nice. They're no wider, I don't think, although they probably look a little bit wider. They're no wider than the previous ones. I really like them. I think they look sick. A lot better than the MS Design wheels. So these wheels are a copy basically of the MSRT Transit Custom wheels. Now the reason that my dad went for a new set of wheels, to be honest with you, is the fact, not just these wheels but a new set of wheels, is the fact that the MS Design alloy wheels that actually come on the van, they are very hard to get hold of, and if you can even get hold of them, and they're quite expensive, so you probably pay anywhere from £300 per rim. So that was the reason why a new set of wheels was probably going to work out cheaper, even with the tyres, than actually going and buying a rim to have as a spare wheel. So now, not only has he got a brand new set of wheels, but we've also got 2 spare wheels, one for each van, and 2 spare wheels, pretty much, which we might end up selling or keeping just in case, you know, you ever need one. The guys are busy just putting the sun visor on at the minute. I really like the wheels, I think they look sick, and I'm still 50-50 whether or not I'm going to go and get a pair myself. So in the back here, this is what's been going on. My dad's got we've only got 3 wheels down here now, sorry. So one of them is in the back already as a spare, and he's got it all ratchet strapped down in here, and we've got a few things to finish off in here, carpeting and things like that. But it now means that he's got a fully functional, not just like a space saver or, you know, a normal transit steel wheel, an actual 18-inch alloy wheel in there as a spare. It just makes things that much easier and puts your mind at ease when you are travelling, I guess. So job well done. So I'm sitting here editing this video, can't wait to get it out and show you guys for the new wheels for the van, and then I realised that I didn't actually finish the video off at all because we were busy putting the sun visor on, which looks really good as well. I didn't actually get any footage of that. However, it's on, it looks sick, and the next video that you guys are going to see on this van is going to be it pretty much completed, finished. So like I say, I'm sat here editing this video and I just thought I can't leave it like that. I've got to film something to finish the end of the video off. So there we go, I'm just busy editing it now, so hopefully that will be out for you guys very soon. I think the new alloy wheels on my dad's van look absolutely mint. I love them. Makes it just look that little bit more different as well, and the sun visor and the bonnet deflector, it all just fits together so well now. The sun visor makes such a difference because it covers the lip where the pop top's been put on the front. Trust us, you'll see it in the next video, but I just wanted to make sure I wrap the video up in a good way. I hope you guys like the wheels as well. I hope you like the choice. I cannot wait to get this next video filmed and show you guys pretty much the end stage and the finished product of this camper, and my dad is so excited as well to start using it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more videos throughout this whole year. Turn the little bell notifications on to make sure you receive emails every time I upload a video, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are on everything that's been going on in these videos, and if you haven't seen the previous episode, I'll leave the link in the description down below for you. Have a fantastic day, guys. Have a brilliant rest of your week. Peace.